on a ridge of a large, dark forest. This little girl often worried Paddy Little Rat Club with a Paddy Little Rat hut, and for this reason, people called her Little Rat Rotten Hut. One morning, Little Rat Rotten Hut's murderer called her and said, "Little Rat Rotten Hut, heresy little basking with some bird and butter and sugar cockles. Take this little basking to the cottage of a groin murder, who lives on the other side of a forest. Shake a leg, don't stop along the road, don't daily doily in a florist, and yonder no circumstances, don't stop and talk with strangers." "Okay, murder," resplendent Little Rat Rotten Hut. Then she took a little basking and started off. On a road to the cottage of the groin murder, Little Rat Rotten Hut met the enormous wolf. "Well, well, well," said the squeaky wolf. "Evanescent Little Rat Rotten Hut. Where's the Paddy Little girl going with the little basking?" "I'm a-going to my groin murders. Grandma sick in bed. I'm a-ticking out some bird and butter and sugar cockles." "Oh ho, heifer hasn't woke," said the wicked wolf, "but I thought to himself, I'll tickle shirt coat to the cottage of a groin murder. I'll catch up with a letter, and then, oh boy." So the wicked wolf took a short shirt coat, and when he reached the cottage of a groin murder, he peeked in the window and saw that a poor royal worming was lying in the bed. In a flash, this abdominal wolf lived on a betting at a rope. So he pulled down the groin murder's nut cup and nut gun, and he curled over in a bed. In a little while, Little Rat Rotten Hut arrived at the cottage and rang the doorbell. "Come in, sweetheart," said the wicked wolf, disgracing his verse. Little Rat Rotten Hut entered his bedroom and stood by a groin murder's bed. "Oh, Grandma," cried the little girl historically, "what bag eyes you got? I never saw such a bag eyes." "That's a turn lucky to with, sweetheart," said the bloke Thursday wolf, with a wicked smile on his face. "Oh, Grandma, what a bag noise! I never saw such an anomalous prognosis." "But it is small your with, Dolly," said the wolf, and its mouse was running. "Oh, Grandma, what a bag mouse you got! I never saw such a bag mouse." Days were the unfortunate little girl's last waltz. All of a sudden, trolling off the covers and sprinkling onto bed, this cold-hearted wolf seized poor Little Rat Rotten Hut